Search on for 50-year-old woman missing from Greater Portmore. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 44-year-old Nicole Allen of 1 North Greater Portmore St. Catherine has been missing since Sunday, May the 18th. She is of dark complexion, stout built and about 160 centimeters or 5 feet 3 inches tall. Reports from the Portmore police are that at around 6 p.m., Miss Allen was last seen at home dressed in a white t-shirt, black tights and a pair of multicolored Crocs. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Miss Nicole Allen is being asked to contact the Portmore police at 876-989-8422, the 119 police emergency number or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.